Hi everybody, welcome back to Carol's Art Room. Well, this I just scraped. So I'm trying to do, this is a slice of wood. I taped the side to keep the bark on there so I won't get paint on there. And I did one just a few minutes ago that I had to scrape. It slid off and landed on my lap. So I better put some tape down because it wasn't sticking very well. So let's do this again. I didn't want to show you my disaster, but anyway, it wasn't too bad of a bloom, but I didn't think I had enough pillow paint down anyway, so this one hopefully will be good too. I move it there. So these are my pretty turquoise colors that I like. This is my golden. Golden with some color shift aqua flash in there. Golden like this, liquid. Teal, actually golden teal is what it's called. This one's mermaid by this little piggy. Probably put too much paint down now. And I got some turquoise that I made myself. Turquoise, phthalo turquoise, so I used phthalo green and phthalo blue and mixed them together and added a bit of white. You can use regular white or I used mixing white. And I have some gold. Cabello iridescent gold. Just going to add a little bit of water. I find metallics thicken up quick. And a little bit of yellow. So this is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Yellow in the big bottle. And some cad yellow to darken it up a little bit. Liquitex cad yellow. Okay, I'm going to use some black cell activator. I think I'll just blow it with my breath again. Ooh, that's a lot. Too much, I think. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty nice. Oh, why did I do that? I wasn't going to modify this and then I just did. I don't like that. Oh dear. Okay, let's see. Hope it doesn't. Fly off like it did before. Put a bit of paint under these. It's stuck a little bit right there. Looks pretty, pretty, pretty. I love the pretty gold and the turquoise. Just need this part here to come down. Oh, that's looking pretty nice. Come on now, a little more. Gorgeous. Not as much yellow showing through this time. More at the edges came off. But that's good. I don't mind. this. Still moving a bit. Gonna spin it again. I think that's pretty good. One more for good luck. Jeez. All right. I'll show you the dried results at the end of the video. Those pretty cells. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Check out this little wooden round that I poured bloom on. It dried really nice. So all I have to do is take the tape off and see how it looks. Okay, so I took the tape off. And it'll look cool. So I'll try to resin that. I'll tape it back up again and just resin the top. I really like it. Thanks for watching.